Hi everyone, welcome aboard Meraviglia. We are filming this as we are in the Exuma Land and Sea Park, moored off Cambridge Key in the Exumas in the Bahamas. And as promised, we thought today we would give you a tour of the inside of our home so you can see how we live on her day to day. So let's go below and check things out. So we're going to go down the companionway. Here's Kim.
Welcome aboard. Glad to have you all here to take a peek at how we sort of live day to day. Why don't we start forward with our guest cabin, because we would love to have guests come and visit us.
We would. Yep, and there it is, the V berth. We've got a hatch for ventilation here. We've got storage for clothing and such on the sides. This is the equivalent of a queen-size bed. To be fair, it's probably a small queen-size bed, and it's smaller up at the front, obviously, than it is in the back. But if you sleep with your feet towards the front, then the tops of you have enough room for two in this bunk, and also a hanging locker. And then as we come aft, what are you going to show us next?
Let's look at the crew berth.
Okay.
So this currently is a space that we use for storing a lot of tools, but do have space available to make this into, there are actually mattresses on both berths here.
Right. Probably not room to make two berths here because of, you know, I have a lot of tools, but this one definitely we keep free for guests. And this also, if you step in here, it's not a large space, but there is a twin-sized berth here, and then it has its own hatch, its own port light, and its own hanging locker, and a fan. Okay, and across the hall from that is the forward head. And this is where the shower is. So this is where we shower. And if you take away the spot where you sit, then this part where you stand is probably about, 20 inches by 20 inches. So it's a pretty tight spot, but it's enough for us. It also has a hatch for ventilation, and then storage for toiletries and a seat so that you can sit down if you wish. And then this is the rest of the head here with sink. And then behind the door, if we take this off, is our laundry. So that is our washing machine where we do our laundry. And then underneath it is a toilet, which we do not use, but which, if we had guests, we could move the washing machine, and then guests would have their own head up here. All right.
So back into our main living space. So we have our salon with our dining table. The table folds out, so we can actually seat quite a few people to have a meal in here. So that pulls up, and then the other side as well, which is locked down right now because we had a passage this morning. And then this is also where we store a lot of supplies, so kind of tucked back behind our cushions. We have lots of storage for our provisions. So most of these are all full of food that we'll use as we journey along.
Mm-hmm.
Another really important piece in here is our water maker.
Yep, that's the equipment. We make water probably every other day to keep us supplied with drinking water and bathing water and laundry water. And then we've got our library over here.
And our chart books.
Yep, more storage behind those cushions. And I should also add that down here are hatches, you can see, and that's the bilge, and we store provisions down there as well as spare engine parts and other things.
And final thing, well, two quick things in here. We have a lovely historical family heirloom on the wall that Bob can tell you about.
Right, this is a ship's clock and barometer, which belonged to my grandfather. And so those are making the voyage with us, which is great.
And then we have our picture wall to bring a little bit of family along for the journey with us.
Family and friends.
We'll keep adding to that as we go.
Yep.
And then a lovely piece that friends in Brunswick, our project manager's wife, made for us. So that is also a special thing that we keep here.
Absolutely.
Salon. Nav station would probably be the next most important thing here.
Right. And this is where we keep all of our technology. This folds up. And so we keep our technology here, do our daily housekeeping work here, voyage planning, things like that. And then this is the electrical panel, which is what controls all of our electrical circuits on the boat. All right, you can read us back.
And then we're gonna sort of cut through another head that we have.
All right.
And
this is the aft head. And it is also a shower, but it's what's called a wet head, so that when you shower, then obviously the toilet gets wet. And we don't use this when we don't have guests, but it does function. And then this is the second part of the head with sink, and this is basically Kim's head, where she keeps all of her things.
And then back to where we sleep and keep all of our clothes and things.
Right,
so.
This is the aft cabin. Again, we've got a hatch up on the top, and we have our queen size bunk here. And then over here are all Kim's things, along with a dressing table and mirror. And then over here is where I keep my things. And there's also seating here. And then we've also got a hanging locker for clothes as well.
And then coming back out here is our galley, where we do our cooking and meals every day.
Right, got dual sink here with hot and cold running water. Also have a foot pump for fresh water and a foot pump for salt water that we can use. We have our cooktop with oven and hobs or burners. And then this is where we store kitchenware, etc. Our pantry is in here, and then down here we have freezer and refrigerator. We have some wax paper over the freezer lid until I work on re-insulating that.
And then of course our engine is kind of in the center of it all, but also super
Right.
important. So that lives underneath basically the sink, and the engine compartment is
Right.
down there. So our lovely Beta that
There
helps
she
us
is.
along.
Yep. And there you have seen the interior and where we live. It's probably about total of 400 square feet, but we find it totally adequate for what we want to do, and we love living on her. So that's the tour of the inside. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll check in again soon. Bye.
Bye.